I do want to warn you that viewers might find this video disturbing.
What?
Quit thinking about my twinkle.
What's that mean?
Quit thinking about my twinkle.
No.
Quit thinking about my
Get
twinkle.
out of my business like half second. Stop.
Quit thinking about my twinkle.
Stop.
So I love videos like this because they really show you the reality that you never know someone else's social code, you know? You may think you're just playing a prank, but you don't know what that other person's willing to live and die for. It's a tactical error to assume that just because somebody, just because your life is one way, it's a tactical error to think that other people also adhere to those same principles. Just because you can play a prank and it's funny and it's cute doesn't mean that other people think it's funny and cute. Doesn't mean that someone else isn't really, really legitimately ready to go to jail for what they may think is their honor, or they're just not willing to deal with any more disrespect. The same thing goes for altercations that go from social aggression to physical violence. This is something that's talked about by Tim Larkin quite a bit in his amazing book, When Violence is the Answer. People make the tactical error of superimposing their values. Well, I wouldn't punch him in the face. I don't think he's gonna punch me in the face. Well, this is just a fair street fight. You don't know that. So the antidote is to treat everyone with respect, because you just never know who you're dealing with. And something I always say is, anyone can kill you, right? So treat everyone with honor. But boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.